Alright, so I'm about to show you how I cook ramen noodles. I found a foolproof way to cook it to where it's not overcooked or undercooked. The noodles aren't too hard and they're not too soft, so I'm going to show you how I cook them right now. So the first thing you'll need is a microwave safe container, and of course your ramen noodles. And the first thing you want to do is open up your ramen noodles. So you take your ramen noodles, and I like to break them up in four. So I break them this way, I break them this way, and I break them this way, just so that the noodles aren't super long. So this is what I do. Alright, so that's the ramen noodles all broken up. I mean, I like the noodles not too long, so I broke them up like that. The next thing you want to do is fill this up with water. Fill this up with water so that the noodles start floating. So I'm going to do that now. So as you can see, I fill this up with water so not one noodle is touching the bottom. And then you want to microwave it. So you want to stick it in the microwave for 3 minutes per packet that you use. So since I use 2 packets, I'll stick it in for 6 minutes. Alright, now that it's done, you take it out of the microwave. Alright, so the next thing you do is you're going to strain out the water, but you want to leave a small amount of water left in there. So what I do is I use a fork and I kind of hold back the noodles that I want. The little bitty ones kind of float out, and I strain it. I leave a little water in it so when I put the flavor packets in, they can mix really well. So next you want to put both of the flavor packets in. Once you have the flavor packets in, you mix it up. Alright, and now they are ready to serve. And that is how I cook ramen noodles.